Once upon a time, there was a boy. He was very afraid of mathematics. In every exam, he scored low marks in mathematics. His friends were topping the class, but he always thought mathematics is not for me. One day, his teacher told him something important. You are not weak in mathematics. You just haven't practiced it the right way yet. From that day on, he started practicing mathematics for just 30 minutes every day. During the first week, he didn't see any improvement, but he didn't give up. 1 month later, the same student ranked among the top 5 in mathematics his class. So, what changed? What was different about him? Today I am going to share those same secret with you. Mathematics is not difficult. You are just studying it the wrong way. Hello friends. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel scared the moment you open a maths textbook? Do formulas make your head spin? Have you ever thought I can't do maths? If yes, this video for you, because today I am going to share 5 secrets that can completely change your confidence in mathematics within the next 7 days. Secret 1. Stop memorizing formulas. How many of you spend hours to trying to memorize formulas? And what happened during the exam? You forget them? Do you know why? Because you are trying to memorize without understanding. From today, do one thing. Before studying any formula, look at 2 or 3 solid examples. Observe how the solution processes, what happened in each step. Pay attention to the process. For example, before learning the area of a triangle formula, solve 2 or 3 examples and see how the formula is actually used. Once you understand it, the formula naturally stay in your mind. Secret 2. Be happy when you make mistake. Yes, you are that right. Don't get upset when you make mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Whenever you get a problem wrong, ask yourself, where did I go wrong? Did I misunderstand the concept? Or was it just a calculation mistake? Find the reason. Then solve the same problem again by yourself. That's where real improvement happens. For example, you solved 15 into 12, 170. Check it again. 15 into 12, 180. Now you know the problem wasn't the concept, it was the calculation. Remember, every mistake is a lesson. Secret 3. Turn your brain into a calculator. These days, we use our phone even for simple calculations, but top student did not do that. When you go shop, calculate total in your mind. When you watching cricket, calculate the run rate. When you see a discount, calculate the percentage. Spend just 10 minutes a day doing a mental maths. Within a few days, you will be surprised by your speed. For example, a shirt costs 800 and has a discount 25%. 25% of 800, 200. Final price 600. Use mathematics outside the classroom. Secret 4. Don't practice more, practice smarter. You don't need to solve 10 identical problems, just solve 2. Then move on to a next type of question. Growth happens only when you face a new challenges. Your brain becomes stronger when you give it something new to learn. For example, after solving a percentage problem, switch to profit and loss questions. New challenges create new learning. Secret 5. Never make this mistake in the exam hall. What do most students do? As soon as they get the question paper, they start reading every question. Stop doing that. When you see a difficult question, stress beginning immediately. When even the easy question become difficult. Instead, start solving from question 1. Answer what you know. Skip what you don't know. Move forward. Come back to a difficult question later. This is simple strategy used by top student. Final challenge. As soon as this video ends, open your maths book. Solve just one question. Yes, just one. Tomorrow solve 2. The next day solve 3. The small steps create big success. Always remember, top students are not genius. They are ordinary students who practice a little every day while others give up. They are ordinary students who practice a little every day while others give up. If you are ready to improve in mathematics, comment below. I can do maths. And don't forget to subscribe for more mathematics tips and easy learning video. Thank you.